to NGS World. Put one dead in. It's gonna be Yucky pizza. But also be nice.
Yeah.
This needs some. Can you get some of them flowers over there?
Which ones? The red ones?
Tiny hands and big ideas with leaves and flowers as our cheers. A dash of grass, a twig or two. We're making stew with nature's brew. Mud pie paradise, let's play. Splash and squish the dirt today. Stir it up, don't be afraid. Outdoor kitchens being made. No fancy plates, no forks, no spoons. Just muddy fun till afternoon. Imagination's running free. Mud chefs of the century.
That's oranges. The oranges are growing.
Mud pie paradise, let's play. Splash and squish
Well, we
the
have to
dirt
take this